are not aware of my aunt. You don't know anything about my aunt. Then pursued the self-possessed young lady. Only her name and address admitted the caller. Means Frampton Nuttall said, only I know her name and address, and he was wondering whether Mrs. Appleton was in the married or widow state, और he was wondering कि Mrs. Appleton जो है widow है या फिर एक married woman है. An undefinable something about the room seemed to suggest masculine habitation. Her great tragedy happened just 3 years ago, said the child. Here child refers to Vera. That would be since your sister time. Then she just possibly let the imagination happen, and she was such a big liar, and she was saying that her great tragedy happened just 3 years ago. और मीन्स ये बात जो थी वेरा ने बोली, एंड एट दैट टाइम योर सिस्टर मस्ट बी प्रेजेंट हेयर, और तब आपकी सिस्टर भी यहाँ पर रहती होंगी. दैन फ्रैम्पटन नटल आस्क्ड हर ट्रेजेडी. somehow in the restful countries for tragedies seemed out of place. How can these countries some tragedies can also be happened, said Frampton Nuttall. You may wonder why we keep the window wide open on October afternoon. Now Vera is saying that आपने ये चीज़ wonder की होगी. You must have noticed that why we kept that window open on an October afternoon, indicating a large French window that opened onto a lawn. So there was a large window that is opened onto a lawn on October afternoon. So now Frampton replied that it is quite warm for the time of the year. Maybe this is the reason, but has that window get anything to do with the tragedy? Now Frampton Nuttall asks कि इस window का इस tragedy से कोई लेना देना है. So out through that window 3 years ago to a day. Now she is replying Vera कि because of this window, out through that window near about 3 years ago a day, her husband and her 2 young brothers went off their stage shooting. Means her husband refers to Mr. Sappleton. Means Mrs. Sappleton's husband and her 2 young brothers, they went off their shooting from that window, and then they never come back. In crossing their moor to the favourite's 9 shooting ground, they were 3 engulfed in a treacherous piece of bog. It had been the dreadful wet summer, and means there were the season of summer season was there, and you know that places that were safe in other gave way suddenly without warning there, and means at that time there was the summer season. And snipe means a bird with a long thin beak that lives mainly in wet areas. Treacherous means very dangerous. Creepy means unpleasant in a way that makes you feel nervous or frightened. So these was the things happened while Vera told her imagination to Frampton that this tragedy had happened with them, mainly with Mrs. Sappleton. Then she said that their bodies were never recovered. That was the dreadful part of it. So here Vera's voice lost its self-possessed note, means she lost its self-possessed note and became flatteringly self-possessed, means calm, confident and in control of one's feeling. And flatter means lavish praise and compliment. So she told that 3 years ago Mr. Sappleton and his 2 younger brother-in-law went hunting, leaving the house through a French window, which was left open until their return. So however, all 3 of them were lost in a bog that day. Now Vera asserts, and their bodies were never recovered. So the aunt, driven to distraction by her grief and loss, left the window open thereafter, anticipating that they will come back someday with the little brown spaniel that was lost with them and walk in that window just as they used to do. So she was telling to Mr. Nuttall that poor aunt always think that they will come back someday, and then they had a little brown spaniel that was also lost with them and walk in that window just as they used to do. That is why the window is open every evening till it is quite dark. So she's saying, poor dear aunt, she has often told me how they went out, means how her husband and